Today's lesson is Deep Water 28 extract based MCQs. In this video, I have taken 28 most important extract based MCQs for the chapter Deep Water. I have taken 7 extracts. So let's begin. ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस आपके एग्जामिनेशन में पूछे जाने हैं. The first extract. The next I remember I was lying on my stomach beside the pool, vomiting. The chap that threw me in was saying, "But I was only fooling." Someone said, "The kid nearly died. Be all right now. Let's carry him to the locker room." Several hours later, I walked home. I was weak and trembling. I shook and cried when I lay on my bed. किसके वर्ड्स हैं ये? विलियम और विले डगलस के वर्ड्स हैं. क्वेश्चंस. वेयर वॉज द ऑथर लाइंग? विलियम और विले डगलस कहाँ पड़े हुए थे? Beside the pool, on the beach, on the bench, beside the sea. Where? Beside the pool. Correct answer, beside the pool. Why was the author vomiting? Author को उल्टी क्यों आ रही थी? Because a chap threw him in the water, because he nearly died, because of drowning inside the pool. None of these. Correct answer, because of drowning inside the pool. पानी में डूबने की वजह से उन्होंने बहुत सारा पानी पी लिया था पूल में डूबने की वजह से, इस वजह से वोमिटिंग हो रही थी. वेयर वॉज द ऑथर कैरेड टू? कहाँ ले जाया गया उसको? होम, स्विमिंग पूल, लॉकर रूम, हॉस्पिटल. वेयर? ही वॉज टेकन टू द लॉकर रूम. विच वर्ड फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग इज द एंटोनिम ऑफ स्टेबलाइज? स्टेबलाइज का क्या मतलब होता है? टू मेक स्टेबल. और स्टेबल नहीं होना यानी कि ट्रेम्बलिंग. करेक्ट आंसर, ट्रेम्बलिंग, कांपना. Now second one. I used every way I knew to overcome this fear, but it held me firmly in its grip. Finally, one October, I decided to get an instructor and learn to swim. I went to a pool and practiced 5 days a week, an hour each day. The instructor put a belt around me. Now questions. What is the fear mentioned in the above lines? किस डर की बात कर रहे हैं? Fear of height, fear of water, fear of flying, fear of being alone. किस डर की बात हो रही है? हाइड्रोफोबिया की. Fear of water. What did the author finally decide? ऑथर ने फाइनली क्या डिसाइड किया? To quit swimming, to get an instructor and learn to swim, to call father. None of these. Correct answer, to get an instructor and learn to swim. तो 1 अक्टूबर उन्होंने क्या डिसाइड किया? इंस्ट्रक्टर रखेंगे और सीखना शुरू करेंगे स्विमिंग. हाउ मच डिड ही प्रैक्टिस इन अ पूल? पूल में उन्होंने कितनी प्रैक्टिस की? 5 days a week, an hour each day. Only weekends, 4 hours each day. 6 days a week, an hour each day. 2 days a week, 5 hours each day. Correct answer, very first. 5 days a week, an hour each day. Why did he decide to get an instructor? किस काम के लिए वो उन्होंने इंस्ट्रक्टर रखा? To overcome his fear, to exercise daily, to learn to swim. None of these. Correct answer, to learn to swim. Next one. Next, he held me at the side of the pool and had me kick with my legs. For weeks, I did just that. At first, my legs refused to work, but they gradually relaxed, and finally, I could command them. Thus, piece by piece, he built a swimmer. And when he had perfected each piece, he put them together into an integrated whole. In April, he said, "Now you can swim. Dive off and swim the length of the pool. Crawl stroke." Question number 1. What did the author do for weeks? Author ने हफ्तों तक क्या किया? For weeks, the author gradually relaxed. For weeks, the author's instructor held him at the side of the pool and had him kick with his legs. For weeks, the author made unsuccessful attempts. None of these. Correct answer, option 2. Who built a swimmer? किसने बनाया एक swimmer? Instructor, author, author's father, both 1 and 2. Correct answer, instructor. Now you can swim. These words were spoken by किसने बोले ये शब्द? Now you can swim. Douglas' father, Douglas' mother, instructor, sports teacher in school. Who? Instructor. Next one. When did he put them together into an integrated whole? कब सारी चीज़ों को उसने एक साथ रखा? After 6 months, when the author practiced for weeks, when the instructor perfected each piece of the author. Yes, this is the correct answer. When the instructor perfected each piece of the author. Now, fourth one. The experience had a deep meaning for me, as only those who have known stark terror and conquered it can appreciate. In death, there is peace. There is terror only in the fear of death. As Roosevelt knew when he said, all we have to fear is fear itself. According to the author, who can appreciate it? Author के हिसाब से कौन appreciate कर सकता है? Those who have experience in swimming, those who have known stark terror and conquered, those who know the fear of death. None of these. Correct answer. Those who have known stark terror and conquered it. Which word from the following means the same as powerful? Powerful का सिनोनिम आपको बताना है. Conquered नहीं. Stark yes. Stark terror, powerful terror. There is terror only in. कहाँ है terror? Death में. The fear of death. The fear. None of these. Where? There is terror only in the fear of death. Option 2. All we have to fear is fear itself. Who said these words? किसने कही ये बात? विलियम डगलस यानी कि ऑथर ने, इंस्ट्रक्टर, फादर, प्रेसिडेंट रूजवेल्ट. ये बात कही थी प्रेसिडेंट रूजवेल्ट ने. फिफ्थ वन. From the beginning, however, I had an aversion to the water when I was in it. This started when I was 3 or 4 years old and father took me to the beach in California. He and I stood together in the surf. I hung on to him, yet the waves knocked me down and swept over me. I was buried in water. My breath was gone. I was frightened. Father laughed, but there was terror in my heart at the overpowering force of the waves. Question number 1. Who is I here? कौन है narrator यहाँ पे? Father, author, mother, none of these. Correct answer, the author. William Orville Douglas. When did the aversion to water start? कब शुरू हुआ ये aversion to water, strong dislike? At the age of 3 or 4, when he was grown up man, at the age of 2, at the age of 5 or 6. Correct answer, at the age of 3 or 4. What happened to the author when he hung on to his father? जब चिपक गया तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Waves knocked him down. Waves swept over him. Both 1 and 2. There was terror in his heart. Correct answer, both 1 and 2. जब चिपक जाते हैं अपने फादर से तो क्या होता है? वेव्स ने उनको नीचे गिरा दिया और उनको ढक लेता है पानी. Which word from the following means the same as a strong dislike? I just told you, aversion, strong dislike. With that, he picked me up and tossed me into the deep end. I landed in a sitting position, swallowed water, and went at once to the bottom. I was frightened, but not yet frightened out of my wits. On the way down, I planned when my feet hit the bottom, I would make a big jump, come to the surface, lie flat on it, and paddle to the edge of the pool. In which position did the author land? किस position में author ने land किया? Standing position, sitting position, slanting position, none of these. किस position में? Sitting position में land किया. What did he feel when he went to the bottom? क्या महसूस किया उसने जब वो bottom की तरफ जा रहा था? He was frightened. He was frightened but was not out of his wits yet. He felt very positive. He felt determined. Correct answer. He was frightened but was not out of his wits yet. Which word from the following means the same as threw? Threw का मतलब फेंकना होता है. उस ब्रूसर बॉय ने 18-year-old बॉय ने फेंक दिया था पानी में. Swallowed है tossed. Tossed. Who is he here? किसके बारे में बात हो रही? किसने फेंका था? 18-year-old बॉय ने. 18 ईयर ब्रूसर टाइप बॉय था वो, बॉक्सर टाइप बॉय. Now, last one. Do tell me your score in comment section after attempting all these 28 questions. Then all effort ceased. I relaxed. Even my legs felt limp, and a blackness swept over my brain. It wiped out fear. It wiped out terror. There was no more panic. It was quiet and peaceful. Nothing to be afraid of. This is nice. To be drowsy, to go to sleep. No need to jump. Too tired to jump. It's nice to be carried gently, to float along in space, tender arms around me, tender arms like mothers. Now I must go to sleep. I crossed to oblivion, and the curtain of life fell. What is the speaker describing about? Speaker किसके बारे में बता रहा है? What is he describing? His ordeal, how he sprang up to the surface, his swimming training with the instructor, how he was almost drowned in a swimming pool and his struggle to come back to surface, the traumatic experience when his father had taken him to the beach in California. Correct answer. How he was almost drowned in a swimming pool and his struggle to come back to the surface. What does the speaker intend to say? Here I cross to oblivion. अगर ये कहता I cross to oblivion, इसका क्या मतलब है? He succeeded to come back to the surface. He was finally oblivious of everything around him into the pool. He was comfortable now. He struggled hard and came to the surface of the water. Correct answer. He was finally oblivious of everything around him into the pool. अब उसको बेहोशी आ रही थी, वो अनकॉन्शियस हो गया था. What did the speaker mean by the curtain of life fell? जीवन का पर्दा गिर गया, इसका क्या मतलब? He was almost dead. The swimming class was over. He was asleep, drying the curtain. He was washing the curtain of life. Correct answer. He was almost dead. Now, the last one. When does the speaker feel that he was being carried gently? कब उसको लगता है कि वो बड़े आराम से नीचे ले जाया जा रहा है? When he was asleep, when he was almost on the surface of the pool, when his mother took him out gently, when he almost lost his consciousness. Last option is the correct option. When he almost lost his consciousness.